A question many traders are asking these days is, does Plus500 have crypto? The answer is yes. Plus500 offers cryptocurrencies, but with a specific twist. On Plus500, you don't buy or own the actual cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Instead, you trade them as CFDs. That means you're speculating on the price movement of the crypto, rather than holding the coin itself in a digital wallet. You can open buy positions if you think the price will rise or sell positions if you believe it will fall. The range of cryptocurrencies available is fairly broad. You'll typically find major names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP, along with some other popular coins depending on your region. Plus500 also offers crypto indices, baskets that track the performance of multiple cryptocurrencies, so you can get broader exposure in a single trade. Leverage is also part of the package, but it's regulated and usually lower for crypto compared to other markets like forex. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and regulators aim to limit risk for retail traders. On Plus500, you'll see the exact leverage available for each crypto in the instrument's details. It's important to remember that since these are CFDs, you can't transfer coins off the platform or use them for payments. You're purely trading price movements. For some traders, that's an advantage. It means you don't have to worry about wallets, private keys, or security breaches. But if your goal is to actually own crypto and hold it long-term, Plus500 isn't designed for that. So to sum it up, yes, Plus500 does have crypto. You trade it through CFDs, giving you the ability to go long or short on price movements with leverage, but without actually owning the digital asset. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.